Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from AppleCritics.com. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a very special device. So I'm actually going to be unboxing the Magic Trackpad 2. So I just picked this up today. I was super excited to pick it up. Now, the main reason why I actually picked up this Magic Trackpad was mainly because of the iPad OS 13.4 update, which I'll also link right around here. So with this update, you can actually use the Magic Trackpad and other Bluetooth devices, such as a Bluetooth mouse, to actually control the iPad. So the Magic Trackpad just has some more functionality within the iPad OS 13.4, and obviously you can use it with your iMac and your MacBook Pro and everything like that. So that's the main reason why I bought this. I'm super excited to unbox it, and I'm going to give you the full unboxing and review for the Magic Trackpad. So without further ado, let's get straight on into this video. Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from AppleCritics.com, and in this video I'm going to be giving you the unboxing and review of the Magic Trackpad. So I'm super excited, and the main reason for this purchase was actually iPad OS 13.4 being released by Apple, and it gives you the ability to control your iPad with the Magic Trackpad and other Bluetooth devices such as a Bluetooth mouse. But I'm just super excited to use the Magic Trackpad as there's a custom gesture specifically made for it. So that's my main premise of this purchase. So now what we're going to do is actually get on into this unboxing. So here we have the Magic Trackpad. It just has the Magic Trackpad on the front. On the side, we got that Apple logo. Other side, we got that Apple logo. At the top, there's nothing. And at the bottom, there's nothing. And if we take a look at the back of the box, you'll see that it'll say Magic Trackpad 2 right there, and it's in space gray. I just chose to get it in space gray since it matches the color of my iPad Pro. Now we can go ahead and open up the Magic Trackpad right here. And here we have it. You can go ahead and open it and see what it has to offer. So here we have the Magic Trackpad, which is actually huge, and you can just get an idea. So there's my hand compared to it. It does have the Apple smell, so it has that nostalgia to it. So those who know, just know. And we have the Apple Magic Trackpad right here. This is the second version, Apple Magic Trackpad 2. And then we also do have the charger for it. So you can see there is the charger for it. So it does look like it's a lightning cord to charge it. And it is all in black. So that's why I chose a space gray as well. So that's just another good reason. Then we have the info about the Magic Trackpad. So you can see that we have the info for the Apple Magic Trackpad 2 right here. So now taking a look at the Magic Trackpad 2, you can see how it looks, and it's a pretty decent size. So you can take a look at it compared to my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So here's my 11 Pro Max, and then here's the Magic Trackpad 2. So you can put it side by side to compare the two, and then we can just put it on top and see it's about the length of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the height is about 3/4 of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So you can see that right there. So that gives you an idea of the size of the overall Magic Trackpad 2. So you can see that basically fits. So that's just a comparison of the two. So now we can actually unwrap the Apple Magic Trackpad 2. And you can see there's actually an Apple logo on the back. So you can see the Apple logo on the back, and you have some, so we have the Apple logo on the back right here, and you can see that it says designed by Apple in California and assembled in China. And you have some of the fingerprints already. So this is the cleanest the trackpad will ever be. So that is basically it. And then at the top, of course, we have the on and off switch right here. Then you have the place to charge it right here. So it's pretty simple in that way. So here is the Magic Trackpad 2. It just is a very aesthetically pleasing trackpad, and my experience is actually using it with my iPad. So it can now actually be linked to any iPad running iOS 13.4. So then it can actually be used as a mouse now. So if we go into settings, So now we can easily connect the Magic Trackpad under Bluetooth. Just have to make sure that the top piece is green right here, so then that will mean it will be on, then you can easily switch it off. But for the purpose of the video, we'll keep it on. But it's just really smooth overall. I really like the clicking sensation when you use it. It's very responsive. It's very easy to get through the pages as well. So with the Magic Trackpad, we can go into the settings, for example. So once you're in settings, what we can do is just take 3 fingers, then swipe up. Now you'll see we'll be in our multitasking. Now we can go into the App Store right after, and we can go ahead and try it out. Take 3 fingers up, and you can see it's just very responsive, and we could easily go back into the multitasking like that. So this trackpad really does it all, even with 2 fingers scrolling as well. It just really adjusts. Now, I really like having the Magic Trackpad for many reasons, but overall, it's very reliable, number one. It just adds a new dimension to the experience. Now, if you have an iMac and you only have a Magic Mouse, I would recommend the Magic Trackpad. If you're maybe coming over from a MacBook Pro to an iMac or anything like that, I just generally recommend the Magic Trackpad because it's just so useful and the design blends in well. I highly recommend the space gray color because it can just blend into many landscapes and it won't look as dirty as getting just a regular white Magic Trackpad. It's just very sleek and aesthetically pleasing. It's one of Apple's most well-designed products overall, and I just highly recommend that you go ahead and get your hands on one of these Magic Trackpads. Either try it in one of the Apple stores or just go ahead and order it. It's definitely worth it. It has a lot of great gestures, a lot of great features, and just the overall feeling of the trackpad is just very smooth and refined, and that's what you want to look for in a trackpad. So once again, this was Apple Critics talking about the Magic Trackpad. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like the video. Be sure to check me out on Twitter at twitter.com/applecritics, at Instagram at instagram.com/applecritics, and be sure to like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/applecritics, and thanks for watching.